Do you remember that time when a hurricane hit Tobago? Hurricane Flora was indeed one of the deadliest Atlantic hurricanes on record. It was formed during the 1963 Atlantic hurricane season and had a devastating impact on several Caribbean islands. Here are some key details about Hurricane Flora. Formation. Flora originated from a disturbance in the Intertropical Convergence Zone on September 26, 1963. At that time, it was located approximately 755 miles, 1,215 kilometers, southwest of the Cape Verde Islands. Development. After starting as a weak depression, Flora rapidly organized and strengthened, reaching tropical storm status on September 29. Intensity. As it continued to intensify, Hurricane Flora became a Category 3 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 145 miles per hour, 233 kilometers per hour. These intense winds caused significant damage in the affected areas. Path. Flora moved through the Windward Islands, which include the islands of St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and Grenada. It also passed over Tobago. The storm's path took it through the Caribbean region. On September 30th, the storm made landfall on the island of Tobago as a Category 3 hurricane with winds of 193 kilometers per hour, 120 miles per hour. The hurricane damaged or destroyed 6,250 of the 7,500 houses on the island. Property and crop damage on the island amounted to $30 million, $1,963, with 18 lives lost. Neighboring Trinidad, however, was largely undamaged. Impact on Haiti and Cuba. Hurricane Flora's impact was particularly severe in Cuba, Haiti, and the Dominican Republic. It caused widespread destruction, including flooding, mudslides, and extensive damage to infrastructure and agriculture. After reaching peak intensity, Hurricane Flora struck southwestern Haiti, causing significant damage and loss of life in that region. It then turned westward and remained stationary over Cuba for 4 days. This prolonged period of slow movement resulted in extensive rainfall and flooding in both Haiti and Cuba. Slow movement and rainfall. Flora's slow drift over Cuba made it the wettest known tropical cyclone for Cuba, Haiti, and the Dominican Republic. The storm's prolonged stay over the region resulted in extremely heavy rainfall, leading to widespread flooding, mudslides, and further devastation. Casualties. The slow-moving nature of Hurricane Flora and its devastating impact on Haiti, Cuba, and other affected areas resulted in significant casualties. The storm's death toll of at least 7,193 people makes it the deadliest tropical cyclone in the Atlantic basin since the 1900 Galveston hurricane, which claimed a similar number of lives. Death toll. The storm's devastating effects led to a tragic loss of life. The official death toll from Hurricane Flora stands at least 7,193, making it one of the deadliest hurricanes in recorded history. Aftermath. The aftermath of Hurricane Flora involved extensive relief and recovery efforts to assist the affected areas in rebuilding and recovering from the destruction caused by the storm. The impact of Hurricane Flora on Haiti, Cuba, and the surrounding regions was profound, leading to a substantial loss of life and causing widespread destruction. The storm's slow movement and heavy rainfall were key factors in exacerbating the damage and casualties associated with the cyclone. Hurricane Flora serves as a reminder of the immense power and destructive capabilities of hurricanes, as well as the importance of preparedness and response in the face of such natural disasters.